I'm going to show you how to work the graft on the top hem of the Hortense cowl. First of all, we're going to need to mark the beginning of the round. So find where that jog is and put a needle through, and if you have a pin or a locking stitch marker, you can insert it right around that spot. That's just going to make it really easy when you fold the fabric back to create that hem. We have the tail of our yarn coming off the right needle. We're going to set up the graft by going in purlwise through the first stitch and just pull it through. Now we're going to find the garter ridge. The gray is the main color, and they look kind of like hills on the garter ridge. The teal is the valleys of the garter ridge. So we're looking for that gray, or the main color. We're going to go up through one hill, and then we're going to go down into the very next one at the left. The bottom half works just like in Kitchener stitch. The mantra is front knit off purl. And pull that yarn through. You want to try to match stitch tension. You're essentially creating another stitch there. So let's do this all again. Go up through the same hill that you came down from before, and then we move one hill over and come down. So up through one hill and down through the next. On the bottom half, we go in knitwise and drop it off, and then through the next stitch purlwise and leave it on. Draw that yarn through. Doesn't that look beautiful? That's it. You got it. Go have fun.